what's up, Jooba people? Welcome to another lesson. Today we're learning What a Beautiful Name It Is by Hillsong. Amazing song. It is played in the key of D, but we are learning it today with the chords in the key of G. But the reason why it's still in the key of D is because we're using a capo on the 7th fret. You don't have to understand that. Later in the course, you'll learn how to understand capos and keys and blah, 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 blah. But for now, if you want to play with the original, put your capo on the 7th fret, boom, and then we're going to use our G chords. Now, there are only 4 chords in the song, which I'm going to give you a close-up for in a second. I just want to say there's a PDF that you can download in the link below. Quickly download that, and we will be referring to that PDF as we're doing the lesson. Okay, so first things first, let's talk about the chords. Now, the chords you can get, if you don't know any chords in the key of G, there's a video in the description where you can learn the 4 chords in the key of G. So I'm not going to go through the chords in this lesson. You can check the video out, learn the chords. I'm just going to show you quickly how they are, and you can download them. If you go to the course in the description, you can download them. It's free, everything. There's nothing paid here, and then you can check out the chords. So it's just quickly going to be a G, an E minor. Let me just quickly go through them with you. So just quickly, this is going to be a G chord and an E minor, a D and a C. So G, C, E minor, D. All right. Okay, so the chord progressions for the song are really basic. For the verse, all the verses, it's going to be G, C, E minor, D. Okay? You were the word of the beginning on a C, E minor, D. And then the second part of the verse is going to be E minor, G, C, E minor, D. So just the G in the beginning gets replaced with E minor, G. So let's just quickly do the verse. So G, da, 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 da. Then C, E minor, D. Ba, da, 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 da. Now E minor, G. Da, 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 then G. Da, da. C, E minor, D. So the last line, the second and the last line of the verse is always C, E minor, D. Okay, so the chord progression is up there. The chord progression for the chorus is going to be G, what a beautiful name it is, and then D, what a beautiful, and then E minor, D, C. In the name of Jesus. So let's do that again. What a beautiful name it is, nothing can D, E minor, D, C. Cool. So that's it for the chorus. Now for the bridge, it's got quite a long progression. Okay, death could not see, and then D, da, 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 E minor, G. In the chord chart, you'll see it says G/B, but you can play just the G because this is an easy tutorial. It's not going to be a hard one. So instead of playing G/B, oh, listen to the rain. It's beautiful. Instead of playing G/B, you're going to play a G. Okay. Cool. Let's quickly see the chord progression for the bridge. So C, D, E minor, G. And then again, C, D, E minor, D. Okay, so it's got quite enough. And those 2 chord progressions alternate. C, D, E minor, G. And then C, D, E minor, D. So it's kind of like. Anyway, so that's it for the bridge. If you can play that, go back to the original, when I started the video, and then just play along with me. I do a count in there, and you can just play along. And I go through all the sections, but I don't do the whole song in the structure. But you can get that in the PDF, and then play along with the video that's in the description, the original video. Okay. Sometimes you might want to play it with a different capo, in a different key, and you should just find out where that is. But if you go to the course that's in the description, it's free, then you can ask me any questions you like about this song. Okay. I've got a private lesson coming up in 4 minutes, so I'm just going to jam around for a bit. Death could not hold you, the veil torn before you, you silenced the boast of sin and grave. The heavens are roaring, the praise of your glory, for you are raised to life again. You have no rival, you have no equal, now and forever, God, you reign. Yours is the kingdom, yours is the glory, yours is the name above all names. Anyway, guys, have a nice day. We'll see you soon, and stay cool.